Hey guys, Happy New Year. I'm Corrine and I'm trying to get you cooking in your kitchen. So maybe your intention this year is to add more vegetables to your diet, which is really important and a great thing to do. So this really easy recipe might be right up your alley. So let's get to it. So I just want to go over a couple of my favorite gadgets that I love in the kitchen, things that absolutely make my meal prep and my preparation quicker and make it not such a task to be in the kitchen. I'll be going over it in the kitchen, and if you have any questions, I'll put the link below where you can find your own. So these are definitely some of my favorite kitchen gadgets, and to me they're not actually gadgets, but there are tools. So this first one here, this is actually a Julienne grater. I do quite a bit of slaws and salads. This makes it nice, quick, and easy to get that same cut. The second one, this is actually a Handheld Mandoline. I like this better than the big guy. It's not as scary. It's still really sharp, but it really gets the job done to cut up like carrot, radish, even cabbage. I use it for my cabbage as well. So it's a great little thing. This I actually got at a trade show. It's from Pamela's Gluten-free, and it's a double measuring spoon. So it has a tablespoon and a teaspoon. I've never seen one in the store. I don't know where you can get one, but if you ever find it, pick one up. And then of course my knife. So this is a 8-inch Zwilling knife. It is a medium kind of weight. Great size for my hand. It's a good weight. It's not too heavy. So with all the chopping that I do, it doesn't make me tired. So to use all the tools today, I wanted to make just a quick peanut Thai chickpea salad. And so in this, I have shredded carrots that I used the Julienne grater with. So that's one large carrot grated. I have about a third of red cabbage using my mini mandolin. See how nice and thin that is? It's awesome. 1 can of chickpeas, and then this is about a half cup of cilantro. I love cilantro, so that's my green that's in there. You can always put spinach or kale or any other green that you want in there, and that will be fine. For the dressing, and I think slaws and salads are all about the dressing, it's actually a peanut curry dressing. So in this bowl here, I have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 clove of garlic minced, a teaspoon of curry powder, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt, and pepper. I'm just gonna mix this up and then add a little bit of warm water as well to get things rolling. So this is a really nice consistency for the dressing. So I ended up adding about like 1/8 of a cup of water, of warm water to this. So just quickly coat the salad all together. So I just topped off the salad with a little bit of roasted cashews. You could always like fry an egg and put on top of it as well. It would be delicious for a nice quick dinner. Wow, how easy was that, right? This is a great complement to any protein that you might be having, or it's a great main dish that you can put a little bit of protein in it. It's got protein already because of the chickpeas. You could eat alone, add some roasted cashews, a fried egg, anything you want, put on top of it, and that'd be good. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in and joining me. If you liked this video, please hit like. If you want more of this, please subscribe to my channel, share it, let's talk, add a comment below, and we will start the conversation. Thanks so much, eat well, work hard, and seize wellness.